everyone, it's Jennifer, and I'm back again for some Advents, and we're going to go on to day 4, and I guess we'll start with Hobby Lobby. So let's see what's in Hobby Lobby day 4. Let's see. So in day 4 with Hobby Lobby, we have 2 things of washi tape, and it's a little trunk, and there's the other ones all the way around, and it looks like they're pulling yarn, and the bottom one's yarn balls and knitting needles and crochet hooks. That's so cool. And it also came with, this is adorable, it came with a Hobby Lobby Christmas ornament, and it is a shopping cart filled with yarn, and it says Hobby Lobby, and I love it. It's like a sleigh cart, and that is so cute. That's adorable. So I really like that. And let's go on to the other ones, the fun ones. So we'll go on to the tea. Tea for the day is Earl Grey Citrus. Yum. So we like that. And let us see. We gotta find day 4. Oh my. It's a hunt. It's a hunt. It's a hunt. We already opened day 2. There's day 1. Day 7, day 5, day 6. Oh my. I should have looked for these ahead of time, so I apologize for not looking ahead of time. There's 3. That's 14. That's 2. 22, 23, 13, 19. Oh, day 4. It's way down here. And let's check this out. Oh, we got another chomp, which is yummy. We love chomp. So that's cool. And inside it says which is the odd one out. And it's showing the elf. So that's way cool. So that's day 4. Trying to balance my chocolate advent calendar. And then we have our mini skeins. So let's check these out. Let's go with Southern Skeins. Best way to do that is just to crack it open. And let's throw my trash in a little better. And then there is Southern Skeins. It's very pretty. That's a real pretty ice blue. And then now we got Paw Ply. Oh, this is really pretty. I'll put that in a little trash bag. This one is day 4. And it is called Sugar Plum Fairy. Awesome. And that is quite stunning. Quite stunning. So, these are the 2 Yarny skeins for today, day 4. And they are beautiful. Love those. So that was day 4. We've got the ornament. We have the washi tape. We have the tea and the chomp. So this is day 4. That's pretty awesome. And stay tuned for tomorrow, and it will be day 5. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.